and welcome to Beb Adventures. Today, as you can see, I have this very nice box. It's the basic Gemini Judge box with an Iceland air on it. It's nice and snug in there. You got some facts on there. Now, if you haven't watched my unboxing of my United 737, you should, because it's also a great model. It does have a broken landing gear, but that's fine. You don't usually see it when it's like that. But I'm gonna move that to the side so that we can get this. Got taught to put something small in there once, and it doesn't ever work. So I just gotta stick my finger in there. Ah, nice. Got their little plastic. Wasn't in its tray, it was like that. Anyway. Nice. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. So what we only want right now is this. To me, it looks very nice. It's, of course, in a new livery. Now, in real life, this plane has been repainted, and it is 4 years old. Originally delivered on March 3rd, 2018. But its first flight ever was February 7th, 2018. They just recently repainted this. I think their new livery with the blue on the tail looks the best. I know there's one with the pink and there might be one with yellow instead of that light blue stripe. Now, I have seen this plane, if not a plane that is in the same livery, in one of my Newark plane spotting videos, but it might not be on camera because we were at the very end area of the runway and we, didn't see it because it was a little bit far back. We only saw a little glimpse of it. But we're gonna get into some detail. I love the pointy nose for some reason. There's windows in the front, which look absolutely amazing, I think. I like how Boeing has the V with their front windows. Moving back, we got the first door and the usually door that the food goes in, because I'm doing it on that side. Got all the windows. Strange bubble on top, the hump, the camel hump I call it. We got our nice engine. That's pretty close to the ground, but it's not touching. Fit a little bit of my pointer down there. Well, with my United 737, you could see it's also pretty close to the ground. Now we have the nice wing tips, but if you look on the inside there, you can see a little Iceland Air logo. And then we have the back door and the amazing tail. This is definitely a very white airplane, but where it has the blue is very nice. So now some facts about this airplane. It holds 162 people. There's 12 of them in service. There's 4 that's on an order. It's been repainted, and it is a 4-year-old plane. They also gave you a little history of the Boeing 737. We're going to have a bonus wood stand unboxing. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't just break a plane. Nope. Airplanes are all good. So I got both of my planes lined up here to try it out. New one and old one. Just meaning they're both in the airline's new livery. Just different airlines are, you know. So you open it like an obvious Hot Wheels or Matchbox box there. And then there's how it gets a little bit different than that. They have that. Then you take out the, not actually wood, and this. So how you put it together, you stick that thing in there. Then there's a screw that you have to screw in. So you go and get your screwdriver and have that thing fall out, which I don't like. So I'm gonna test this with my 5 planes that are not broken. So first we're gonna test it with the Iceland Air. Works perfectly on them. So what this is supposed to do is make it look like the plane just took off. But since these obviously can't stay in the air on their own, they need a stand to support it. So that's how the Iceland Air is on it. Next is my Delta 757. A little bit tilty-backy, but I think it's fine. Next is my United 737. Where's this? There we go. Now, as you can see on the bottom of the plane, there's a little hole. That's what you put into that peg that's there. And you get it to stay on the stand that way. Putting a whole 747 on it. That's my Atlas Air 747. I did not think that was gonna stay that well. How's that? Nice. Last but not least, my stand-up decanter American A321. Doesn't look like it's going back though, like my other planes do. This Atlas Air and the Delta 740, or the Delta 757, then for the least tippy is definitely this guy. Looks like he's like, he's like, I don't want to go anywhere. And that is my unboxing of my wood stand and Iceland Air 737 Maxi. And remember, if you want this model, like the same exact kind of model, you buy it in a box that looks like this. And that's all. We are going to finish this episode with a nice takeoff.
Hi, please like and subscribe.